experiencing hair fall, like anytime you loses your hair, you see a whole lot of hair coming out, or you're having scalp issue like inchy scalp, or your front hairline is not growing out as normal, or you're just looking for a simple hair growth so you can confidently make at home, then this DIY is definitely for you. Okay guys, my name is Abby George. Welcome to my channel. Now this is the very first thing we'll be using for the tutorial. And this is called fennel seed. It looks like green rice though, but it's not a green rice. Okay, you can easily get it in online store like Jumia if you're in Nigeria. If you're not in Nigeria, you can get it in online store and it's very cheap. Now I'm not going to be using terms for us. I'm just going to tell you what this oil of this seed have done to my hair. Now before I started using this oil on my hair, my scalp used to scratch me like mad. Like I used to have inchy scalp and all those white things on the scalp. I don't know the name. I used to have them a whole lot. Now after I started using this oil, all of that disappear. Like I can carry my weavings for 2 months, I won't see all those white things, and my scalp will not inch me at all. And I used to have thin hair, like my hair wasn't strong at all, like very weak thin hair. Like I can lose my hair and comb, and then a whole lot of hair on the comb and on the floor. Okay, but after I started using this oil, I've been using this oil for months now, and it have been a whole lot of benefit to me, so I decided to come share with us. Okay, now this oil also contain acid, copper and other nutrients that increases our hair growth. This oil is a go-to for our hair, both natural and retouch hair. Now go ahead and blend the seed. I've finished blending it and this is what we'll have. Okay, blend it with your blender. You can pound whichever way, just get it into a powder form and then pour it into a jar like so. Hey, his body, baby, oh Lord of his mercy. Hey, I say I'm feeling all this, she already know this. Okay, pour everything into a jar, then get the oil of your choice. I'm using olive oil. You can use coconut oil, you can use any oil available, avocado oil, any oil available at home, but I use coconut oil. Just pour the oil in a way that the oil will be on top and the powder will be below. You get, make the oil to cover the powder. Like I didn't measure it, I just poured till I saw the oil is on top, then I stopped. Okay, the next thing I did was to go in with this my black castor oil. I added 1 cup of the cover of that oil, and also I went in with this my amla oil. I also added 1 cup of this oil. Now these are essential oil. If you have it, you add it. It's not a compulsory. If you don't have it, just use your olive oil and you're good. Turn everything together like so. Make sure everything is mixed properly together. Okay, mix until you're sure everything is all mixed together. Now you're just gonna cover it and place it under the sun for 1 week. Okay, you can also use a double boiling method, but I don't want to use it. I just placed it under the sun. I allow it sat here under the sun for 1 week, and the next 1 week, this is how it looks. I was shaking it every morning. That's how we have all those chaff on the body. Okay, this is how it looks after 1 week. Your oil is ready to be used. Okay, now as you can see, the oil have separated from the stuff. Okay, the oil is on top and the other one is down. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and shake everything. Shake everything. Make sure everything is mixed properly. Shake and make sure your everything is mixed together. Okay, then go ahead and get something to sieve the chaff from the oil. I'm using my hanky here. Anything that will do the work. You can use your stocking cap, you can use your sieve. Just get anything that can do the work and sieve the chaff from the oil like so. Okay, all the oil are in now. So I'm just gonna take the hanky up and then use my hand and press on it so that I'll get all the oil out. Like, it's just the oil we'll be using here. The chaff, I'm not gonna be using it. So I'm gonna press and make sure all the oil is out from the chaff. Okay. Now after doing this, I'm just gonna transfer my oil into this container. Transfer everything down into this container. Now I love using this kind of rubber plate because I don't have to use Fennel when I use it. Okay, as you can see, everything I've entered and our hair growth oil is ready. It's that simple. As you can see, the color have changed. This is not the color of the olive oil I use. That's how to know that you really got the oil to you really got enough potent from the chaff. Okay, this is the color of the olive oil I use, and this is the color of my hair growth oil. Okay, the color should change after everything. Okay, you can see the difference. So I went ahead to show us how I apply it on my hair. Now I love applying it when my hair is weaved down, but I don't want to weave my hair down here. I want to carry my hair like this. So I'm just gonna work in the oil into my hair, apply the oil on my palm. Okay, apply it in my palm and rub it. While I'm rubbing and massaging it in, you rub and massage and you drop on your palm and massage it in your scalp. I be on your scalp. Okay, that's simple. Rub it on your palm and then massage it on your scalp. You get. So after applying the oil, I went in with my I make sure all my scalp I've touched the oil. Then I went in with my leave-in conditioner to seal it in and my hair cream to seal in everything, and that is pretty much it. So guys, after doing that, I went ahead to show us how to style your hair quickly. If you're in a hurry to go out, you don't want to weave your hair, you want to go on a high puff, I showed us the quick and easiest way, safe way to put your hair on a puff. Okay, this is the comb I always use in combing my hair. I don't use any other comb apart from this. And while combing your hair, make sure you go in with a wide tooth comb. As you can see, I'm using the long part of this comb to comb my hair. You cannot come and use those tiny parts and expect your hair not to cut. You go cut, your hair not be rubber, you go cut. So use a wide tooth comb while combing your hair. Like, I'm just picking up my hair. Basically, I'm not combing it out entirely. I'm just picking it up, and that is how I always get my hair ready for this style. Okay, now going with your brush, put up the your baby hair, comb your front hair. And now this part is very important. When you're tying your hair this time, don't use a rubber band. I beg us, don't use a rubber band. A rubber band will make you uncomfortable and it will also cut your hair. Use a shoelace. That's what I always use a shoelace and just get your bun all together. And secondly, don't tie your scalp in a way that you won't be comfortable. Tie it in a way that you're not dragging your front hairline. Oh. Madly tie it, don't over tie the thing. Okay, this is just easy way to get your hair into a simple style and you're off to where you're going. Okay, so guys, we've come to the end of today's video, and if you have watched till now and you're yet to subscribe, come on girl, click that subscribe bell to join the family, and also on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload new videos. I will be leaving now, and to see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.